Best rear view mirror dash cams. Number 1. Wolfbox rear view mirror dash cams. When it comes to safety accessories designed for cars, it is beneficial to go with the ones that have a good track record within its user base. Therefore, we have the following mirror dash cam from Wolfbox at the top of our list. Starting off our list, we have the Wolfbox mirror dash cam backup camera, which also happens to be the most popular option in the market for mirror dash cam setups. This unit offers up to 1296p resolution video capture from the rear camera and up to 1080p video resolution from the front unit. This is a smart dash camera setup that also comes with a 12 inches wide display unit powered by an IPS display panel. The capture angle of the Wolfbox mirror dash cam backup cameras goes as high as 170 degrees for the front unit and up to 140 degrees for the rear one. And since the display has a 2.5D curved design, you will notice a rather pleasant viewing experience with this setup. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Pormito rear view mirror dash cams. If you are planning to spend a significant sum on your mirror dash cam setup, you should also get a similarly powerful recording performance with the cameras. The following option from Pormito ensures that with the high quality camera lens. Our third choice for the best mirror dash cam setups is the Pormito mirror dash cam set. This is probably the best option at this price since it offers almost all premium end features that you would want in your dash cam setup. First of all, the display included in this set is about 12 inches wide and operates on an IPS panel for the best viewing angles. Also, this is a touchscreen display that allows you to switch the viewing modes or angles with ease. However, the best feature of the Pormito mirror dash cameras has to be their camera lens. Both of the cameras included in this set are powered by a Sony sensor. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Kingsland rear view mirror dash cams. If you are looking for the best recording resolution cameras for your mirror dash cam set, the following option from Kingsland will be the best pick for you. Apart from high recording resolution, it also offers many additional features that you will like. The Kingsland DL12 Pro is the first option on our list of the best mirror dash cam systems that offer up to 4K recording resolution. As you may already know, 4K resolution is right now the best resolution you can have on a mirror dash cam system. And it is also perfectly compatible with the 12 inches IPS digital display included with the set. You can use the front camera at 4K resolution and the rear at 1080p. Or you can use both cameras at 1440p resolution simultaneously for even performance. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Jansight rear view mirror dash cams. On the other hand, if you are looking for a rather compact display with your mirror dash cam system, check out this option from Jansight. This is also currently being used by thousands of users. In second place, we have the Jansight mirror dash cam set. This set also includes both front and rear cameras so that you can get a comprehensive view of your car. The recording resolution of the camera is the standard Full HD 1080p resolution, which is perfect for the included 10 inches wide digital display. However, the display offers WDR/HDR color support that enables a lifelike video preview of the captured image. Also, the included display of the Jansight mirror dash cam offers full touch functionality for ease of access for the user. There is a 32.8 feet long cable included in the package that lets you easily connect the rear camera to the system without any problem. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Volway rear view mirror dash cams. There are also a few brands in the market that introduce high quality cameras in the mirror dash cam setups within an affordable range. The following example from Volway is a great example of such a product. The Volway mirror dash cam is also a smart choice from our picks of the best mirror dash cams that offers a range of exciting features suited for enthusiast users. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.